Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to week 2. So this is a self-paced week. It's an asynchronous online module. There is quite a bit of reading to do as well as a few activities to review. So let's dive in. Let's talk about what's expected. So if you look at the syllabus, let's begin there. In week 2, we have 2 things that we're covering. The first is we want to understand differences in learning styles. And then the second is we want to understand how to do an assessment of learners' knowledge and learning needs. And to do that, we're going to be giving you a data set and asking you to complete an analysis and write it up. We'll talk about more about that in a moment. This particular module is broken up in a series of videos. Obviously, this is the first video. You'll notice that each video is numbered, so just move sequentially through the videos. My recommendation is that before you engage with the videos, you first complete all of the readings. You'll notice that there's a lot of readings this week. We have Knowles, chapters 1 through 5, 19 and 22. We have a reading out of Rocco. We have some reading chapters out of Morrison. Some selected pages out of chapter 1 and then chapters 2 through 4. And then there's an assessment tool that you'll need to complete. Remember, in this class, you are reading for understanding, not necessarily for memorization. So it is perfectly acceptable to speed read in this class. Just go through it, get the main ideas. I am giving you a lot of readings in this course to give you exposure. So there are no quizzes about the readings. However, I strongly encourage you to do them every week. You'll get more out of this class if you do it. So please take the time to do the readings. In class activities, I'm going to assume that you have done them. So take the time to do that. All right, but there are quite a bit. So if you want to find your readings, the easiest way to do that is, I know that you don't necessarily have your books yet. So in week 2, you can see that I have put all the readings down here for you. So you can complete all of those readings right there. After you complete the readings, you'll need to do the Index of Learning Styles assignment. If you're wondering what that assignment is, let's review it together. And I'm going to scroll really quickly, and I'm going to move us down to the instructions part of this document. So beginning on page 21, we have the instructions. And right here is the Index of Learning Styles questionnaire. It's really simple. You basically are going to click on the link, complete the assessment, and submit it. You'll do a screenshot and you will just submit the screenshot right here. Result from the Index of Learning Styles. So you'll just click in, you'll do that link, you'll do a self-assessment, you'll screenshot it, you'll upload it, and the assignment is complete. Please make sure that you complete all assignments at least 10 minutes before the start of class in week 3. That's when everything will be due. You'll notice that if you go to the discussion board, in the discussion board, there are places where after you complete your readings on learning styles, you'll be asked to answer 2 questions. You can click in here and you can answer both questions. The first is what performance gaps is being solved by your course, and then describe your ideal learner or target population for your course. So you'll answer those 2 questions, and then after you complete all the assessment videos, there is a place for you to pose and answer colleagues' questions. If you don't have any questions, all you need to do is just type completed, and that will allow me to document in the gradebook that you watched all of the videos and you are done for the week. All right, so this is a busy week 2. But a good week 2. It's going to set you up well for the following weeks. It helps you understand both the needs of the learner and how to complete one of the major assignments in this course. If you have any questions, we'll review those at the start of class in week 3 before we begin covering new material. And also we can engage with each other in the discussion boards. Have a great week.